Within IntelliJ, click on application.yaml file in here. For you, it may be application.property. You can use property file or you can using YAML file. This is the configuration for our application in here. You can see we have the server, port, and the name. And the important one is data source configuration in here. You need to provide the URL. In this case, is DBC Postgres, and the host is localhost, and the port is 5432, and the customer is the database name. And then if we also have the username, password, and under CBA we have the Hibernate in here, and DDLO2 is create job. For create, it will create table when we start and running application, and the job will be performed when we stop or shut down the application. For the property, I use direct process direct in here, and also I would like to easy see the display SQL for the format. And the last one, if we want to see the SQL query in the log file, let's run the application to see that we can connect or not. Oh, okay. It's a run fail because database customer does not exist. What we are going to do is, so go back PC admin in here, and in the database, I would like to create database customer. Save. So you can see here now we have the customer database. Let's go back to IntelliJ, rerun again. So you can see here in the log file some cache started on port 8080. We have some log from Zendata CBA in here. We don't have any error in here. Okay, cool. Now our application already established the connection to the database. So right now our application already established the connection to the database. And before we go to customer repository in here, we have another job to be done is create a customer entity so that we can map the customer into the database to create a table so that we can element this customer repository.